Making money just by listening to music. You listen to one song, you earn $5. 2 songs, $10. 30 songs, you earn $150. That sounds like the perfect life, right? I've made over $900 myself just by listening to music. Just go to this website. In today's video, I will show you how you can make money online in 2023 just by listening to music, and that too completely for free. Step 1. Go over to Pixabay. Right here, just select music, and check this out. Royalty-free music. As you can see, there's so many music tracks here that you can listen to, download, and then make money. Just click on Discover More. Now go to Genre right here, and now make sure you select the pop category. With pop music, you can be earning triple as much money as other genres. And this is how all these people have been making money online in 2023 with this method. And on Pixabay, look at these pop music tracks that you can download for free. Step 2. Listen to a music track. Just click on this play icon right here and listen to the music playing for a while before you download it. Now let me give you a tip. You don't even need to listen to the whole track. You can simply download the music track by clicking on this download button right here. And make sure to repeat this process for as many music tracks as possible. As you can see, we have a few music tracks downloaded. Step 3. Go to Up Forever. This is a secret website that many people are using to make money online in 2023. Here, you'll be able to make money by uploading the music tracks you downloaded from Pixabay and withdraw the money you make like many of these people here. First, you'll have to sign up for a free account by filling in these details right here. This is what the dashboard of your account will look like. To start making money, all you need to do is click here on Upload Files, and you'll be taken to a page like so. Now, make sure you do not violate any of these rules in red here so you don't lose your account and all your money. So all you need to do now is click here to upload the music track you downloaded from Pixabay. Here you need to write a description for the music track. Before I show you how to write the description, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're liking the video so far, so you can be the first one to be notified of every Make Money Online video. And you make the most money. You simply need to write the title of the song and the name of the artist for this part. And you can easily do this by going back to Pixabay and looking it up there. You also need to make sure that it's on public, and then just hit Start Upload. Now that the file's been uploaded, click on this icon right here to set the price for this music track. For this video, I'm just going to set the price at $5, but feel free to set whatever price you want for the music track. Now, whenever someone downloads this music track, you will make money. Again, make sure it's on public and hit submit. Now repeat this process for as many music tracks as you want, but how will you withdraw your money? You can choose to withdraw your money via PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, and all these other payment methods available here. And the best part is that, look here, the minimum payouts for all these methods is just $1. This is exactly how so many people are making money online in 2023, and so can you.